This is my second trip here. Injured my tricep in a motorcycle accident. First treatment seemed to be successful. It's coming along. I came back down for a booster while I was here. Treatment was 10 minutes ago. Everything went according to plan. I feel good. My name is Casey Green. I'm from New Hampshire in the United States. We don't do this in the United States. That's why I came here. So, everything was fantastic as far as I can tell.
Today we treated a patient that has injuries in his triceps because of automotive accident. Tricep was torn. So we did treatment with this patient a few months ago, and he increased his mobility.
First treatment seemed to be successful. It's coming along. I came back down for a booster while I was here. I had some facial injections and an injection in my shoulder on this side to combat some inflammation.
Right now, he came for a second round of treatment because we're treating the nerve and the scar around the tissue.
The facility is beautiful. It's clean, top shelf, A+. Thanks for the fantastic treatment. Everybody is super friendly, super careful, super thoughtful. I really appreciate it.